Okay, I am not going to get this done in 10 minutes, so we're going to be doing 2 videos tonight. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the late spring, early summer releases from MAC. And there are so many of them, yay, that it's probably going to take me 2 videos to do it. The first one is Naughty Nauticals. It comes out tomorrow. And actually, before I get any farther, let me just say that I'm getting this information from my personal makeup artist that I work with at the counter. I'm also getting it from Temptalia.com, Spectra.net, the LiveJournal community, and a couple other internet sources. So you should check out their websites. Okay, Naughty Nauticals launches tomorrow. I'm going to be at Macy's at 10 a.m. when they open. Naughty Nauticals is, as you can imagine, it's all about blues and reds. It's launching tomorrow, although it's been out in the Pro Store for about a week, but it's launching to the plebes, aka me, tomorrow. We have 4 lipsticks, 4 lip glasses, actually luster glass, 5 eyeshadows, 4 pigments, 2 eyeliners, 2 nail polishes, and Pro Lash mascara. And there's also a quad that's exclusive to Nordstrom's, although the quad's kind of ugly. So, whatever. I am most excited about Port Red lipstick, which is it looks like a deep yellow red with gold pearl in it. So I'm hoping it'll be like but a little bit more red and less burgundy. The eyeshadows look pretty standard, although there's a bright blue, what's it called? Submarine that I might get if I like it, and if it's not too close to any of the other billion blues that I have. There are 4 pigments, and I'm going to get them all. The one that we're expecting to sell out is Mutiny. It's a teal, but it's like a sky blue with gold pearlized pigments. So it looks like a really bright, vibrant blue for summer. It looks like it's going to be really exciting. I'll probably pass on the nail polishes. The quad from Nordstrom's, it looks like a brown, a gray, like a yellow, and a cream color. Yeah. Okay, next. There are 3 or 4, let me check real quick. 4 collections that are going to launch at the same time on May 29th. So May 29th is going to be big bonanza. The first is, actually, you know what, I lied. 3 that are going to launch at the same time. And they are called Future Earth, Solar Field, and Neo Sci-Fi. So I'm going to start with Neo Sci-Fi. The packaging is like an orangey tan. So you're either going to like it or you're going to hate it. It's very summery. It's very... Think Star Trek, the original series, right? There are 5 lipsticks. They're variations of browns, oranges, and like burnt reds. 4 lip glasses, mostly neutrals. 5 eyeshadows. They are re-promoting Expensive Pink. And the other eyeshadows are Femme, Fi, Evening Aura, Time and Space, and Magnetic Fields. I'm pretty sure those are all new, although nothing looks very unique. They basically look like they're from the N collection. They look neutral. So there's nothing here that I think you have to have. And the cases for the eyeshadows are that orange tan color. There are 2 Shimmer Tone Sheer blushes, and there are 4 nail polishes. And the nail polishes are yellow, brown, like a burnt sienna color, and a bright aqua teal. So it's a good chance to stock up on some neutrals if you missed the N collection, basically. Although I don't really like the packaging, I depot everything anyway, so whatever. Solar Field, also coming out on May 29th. Solar Field has this new product called Solar Bits. They kind of look, I'm expecting them to kind of be like pigments, but they're in a tender tone size container. They are basically, it says, concentrated amounts of powder pigments and pearlized particles to deliver vivid color and intense shimmer with a soft, smooth, velvety shine. So, or velvety finish, rather. So I'm thinking they're going to be like pigments repackaged. There's basically blacks and browns. There are 2 bronzers, and they are re-promoting the 168 and 239 brush. Then there's Future Earth, which is the 3rd collection coming out on the 29th. This is a skincare collection. There's a Volcanic Ash Thermal Mask a volcanic ash exfoliator, a prep and prime microfine lip refinisher, and charged water revitalizing energy. So this is all about using volcanic ash to purify the skin, to exfoliate it. Looks like some useful products. The mask is $19, the exfoliator $19, the prep and prime is $14.50, and the charged water is $19. So then Cool Heat is coming out on June 12th. There are 5 Slim Shines, which is kind of exciting. They really look pretty basic. It's, the swatches from MAC suck. Can we just be honest here? So, of course, they look basic. There's nothing that really screams unique to me. There's a sheer red, which might be nice. The names are nice. Tropic Glow, By Degrees, Gentle Simmer, High 90s, and Swelter. But really, I'm going to have to see them in person before I make a judgment on those. There are 7 eyeshadows, and these do look fun. Solar White is a frosty muted white gold, so I'm thinking it might kind of be like nano gold. Climate Blue is a mid-tone violet blue with pink pearl. Warming Trend is a frosty light taupe. Blue Flame is a metallic navy blue. Again, it looks like Deep Truth on the website, but the swatches suck. Warm Chill is a frosty seafoam green with gold pearl. That looks different and new. Cool Heat is a frosty teal with multi-dimensional pearl. And Gulfstream is a frosty mid-tone blue with green pearlized pigment. So I'm going to be getting some of those. They are selling 2 perfumes, Hue Turquotic and Hue Turquotic. Apparently they're the same name, but they smell different. One is a crisp spa-inspired playful scent, and one is a warm floral wood scent. So that takes us up to Cool Heat. Maybe I will squeak in under 10 minutes here. The last one, the last collection is Color Forms. It's a Nordstrom's exclusive. And you know what? I'm going to tell you about it in another movie right now because there are some other products coming out that I want to talk about. So look for part 2 of this for the Nordy's exclusive. See you on the flip side.